The clock that stopped at midnight. It was a cold, silent night when Anna walked past the old clock tower on her way home. She glanced up, as she always did, and saw the time, 11:59 p.m. The clock's chimes rang once, twice, and then, silence. Anna stopped. The clock's hands had frozen, stuck at 12 o'clock. That's strange, she muttered. The clock had always been reliable. The next morning, Anna woke up to an unusual buzz in her small town. People whispered about strange dreams they'd had the night before. "I saw a dark figure in the square," said Mr. Peterson, the baker. "It vanished when the clock stopped," added Mrs. Green, the librarian. Anna didn't think much of it until she passed the clock tower again that evening. There, on the ground, lay an old leather notebook. Curious, she picked it up and opened the first page. The words inside made her freeze. Whoever finds this notebook must stop him before the clock strikes midnight again. Anna's heart raced. Stop who? She thought. She turned to look at the clock tower, its shadow long and dark under the fading sunlight. Suddenly, she felt a cold breeze. Though the air was still, that night, Anna couldn't sleep. The words from the notebook echoed in her mind. When midnight neared, she decided to return to the clock tower. The streets were eerily quiet. As the clock hands inched closer to 12 o'clock, she saw a figure standing under the tower, a tall man in a black coat. His face hidden. "Who are you?" Anna called out. The figure turned slowly and whispered, "I've been waiting for you." And as the clock struck midnight, it started ticking backward.